When I was selected for the FK Fellowship, I only wondered how I could spend long 1 year. For the first time, away from my family, home and relatives. It came to end now. I passed through the challenges. 14th October was Eid Day, the biggest Muslim festival. My first Eid outside my family. I was away from home for the first time during Eids and my birthday. I spent whole day at the airport. We were flying to Kolkata, our host city. We missed the morning flight and had to take the evening flight. In Kolkata, just on the second morning, we woke up to find our guest room was emptied fully by some thieves with the support of the domestic assistant. We were very terrified. Just then, we had no identity, no passports, no monies, no cameras, only clothes were left there. Also, I had an appendicitis operation. My grateful thanks to my colleagues in DRIC in India and Bangladesh, who were my host partner and home partner. With their support and all-out cooperation, I became round soon, overcome the shock and regain the pace soon again. I could start working 3 months late. I worked on certain assignments. It gave good scopes for learning. Working with Mahashweta Devi is rewarding. She embodies relentless effort to human causes amid daunting hurdles. Working with her so demands all-out efforts for getting along with her even in her day-to-day chores, and the pursuit for being in her white canvas of struggling millions she is attached to. Use of flash in lowlights when she conversed intently with people was sometimes uncomfortable. Work with the director of a live broadcasting of the performance Mohiner Ghoragudi was exciting. I was thrilled to see work pace and skill of an editor while he was working on the final product as well as directing contributions from a number of other sources for it. It was an amazing live experience. My role with the organizers was simply moral boosting. I worked with the same group of organizations in Kolkata that I worked with earlier in Bangladesh, working on disability. The spirit of the participants, persons with disabilities, is indomitable. Working with them proves again the utmost importance of the little understanding and promptness by all of us of the challenges faced by them every day. The work helped me revisit a wide network of organizations across territories. They demanded for continuous subtitle so that videos become more inclusive. I had to do both photography and video work simultaneously without affecting the flow of the workshop, where listening counts. Sometimes my way of work and capacities were even challenged.
venue very much enjoy it, and we're very pleased that the Governor will be here to open up the event tonight, and also say our thanks to Brick India.
While shooting for the opening of the show, I felt like more women should have joined this job of video making. I found it difficult to work in a crowded place, and as a female video person, I sensed several brubeats. I gained the experience of working in a somewhat tense and conflict situation also. Despite being privileged having a media identity, I was uneasy seeing no female video person working in such a situation. I attended different ceremonies and functions at Kolkata, as well as traveled to a few cities of India. The host city, Kolkata, gave me an opportunity to watch a number of good films. I took the chance to watch and rediscover the cinemas as a powerful video work. I fed my dream again to make on cinema someday. Kolkata is a city of colors, a city of fun and merriment, of puja, Holi, Ratha Jatra and ceremonies like marriage, and of variety of foods. Also, Kolkata is a place of struggles for tens of millions. Above all, to me, Kolkata is more free a place for women on many fronts. No bar on dress, certain transport facility for women, more freedom in lifestyle, what I may miss in Dhaka. I am more confident now. The FK training boosted up my courage and self-respect enormously. I did professional editing. I edited documentary independently. My English improved. Every moment of the FK period, I was learning. I felt it was unique. I learned stress management. I lost my all belongings just on the reaching my host city after the orientation. When I was supposed to start my work fully prepared, the quiet setback put me behind for quite a couple of months. It was a hell lot of hassles. To me, FK is networking, making contacts, making friends, making common understanding. And so, FK is not finished for me. It's just another beginning.